Welcome to my new blog post 5. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the data models. It's just going to be a brief interview about the data models. So let's start. So, what basically are data models? So, basically, when we talk about data models basically define how the logical structure of the database is basically modeled. These are actually data models basically define the fundamental entities that actually introduce the abstraction in a certain management system, for example, database management system. Data models basically also define how data is basically connected to each other and how they are processed and stored inside any system. The very first data model could be a flat data model where all the data used are to be kept in the same plane. Uh, Earlier, when the models were being developed, they were not so scientific, hence, they were prone to introduce lots of duplication and update anomalies. So, let us discuss about different types of data models. So, first type of the data model is basically conceptual data model. So the conceptual data model should be used to organize and define concepts and rules. Typically, business stakeholders and data architects will create such a model to convey what system actually contains. Then, in contrast to the conceptual data model, there is basically logical data model, in which physical data models basically are connected, are concerned with how such system should be implemented. Like the conceptual data model, the logical data model is also used by data architects, but also will be used by business analysts with the purpose of developing any database management system, any kind of management system, agnostic technical map of rules and structures are basically part of the logical data models. And then the third one is the physical data model, which is actually used to demonstrate the implementation of system using a specific management systems, typically database management system, and is typically used by the database analyst or any kind of analyst and developers. So this is a small brief introduction about the data models.